What was once iconic now sits reduced to silence. Heat left scars that time could not hide.
Most would walk away at this point.
Inspection begins with facing the damage head-on.
Fire erased almost everything, but not the possibility. Nothing survived untouched. Inside, the damage runs even deeper. Fire doesn't discriminate between surfaces. Recovery is the first step toward revival. Every flaw must be documented. This is where transformation begins.
The process starts from the inside out.
Hidden damage tells the real story.
Years of damage wash away in minutes.
Cleaning reveals what fire tried to erase.
What remains must be rebuilt.
Strength is restored layer by layer.
Organization guides every decision.
No component escapes inspection.
Structural integrity comes first.
What no longer serves must be removed.
Electric life is carefully restored.
Fresh systems replace ruined ones. Control returns piece by piece.
Comfort finds its way back.
Preparation defines the final result.
A foundation for rebirth.
Identity begins to return.
The shine emerges slowly.
Patience shapes perfection. The moment approaches. Ground contact is restored. After silence, anticipation. Life answers the call. Proof that revival is real. The outside world awaits. Movement confirms success.
Transformation becomes undeniable.
Every scar has been answered.
From ashes to legend.
What was lost now stands complete. Some machines refuse to be forgotten.
Purpose returns.
Time no longer holds power here.